This is a beach sunshade. I'm going to unbox it, show you how to set it up at the beach. Everything that you need to change to different modes. You have the instruction guide, how to go about to hook up. So let's bring it out to the beach and go hook it up. We're at the beach setting up the tent, lean-to in different modes. Show you how simple it is. You get a nice carrying case that you get. Open it up, show you what you get inside. You get 2 sets of poles. Unstrap them. And set up. Inside is a stake kit. Another bag, which is your actual color, and check online for further details about the makes and designs you are after you're covering. You have your stakes, they come in purple, and you have your rope. Grab your pole and simply just attach each of the sections or lay them out. Roll out your tent. Got the logo of the company on. It's got the logo of your tent. It's nice and large, as you can see. Take a pole, work it in on one end. Get yourself underneath the shade, everything. On a windy day, it's not the best to set it up. Simply grab the stake, bring it to the area it needs to be at, and lock it into place. You get enough stakes to that. Simply pull your sticks out. There's just enough room in the bag to close everything up. Great for calm days at the beach to set up your tent, sticking the poles in the ground with help of a friend and tying it down. You can set up in different modes to your liking. I hope you enjoy this review of the tent. Have a great day and thank you for viewing. Real life review in a breezy situation. You'll decide if this tent is good for you. Have a great day.